let's get straight into our workout for our glutes, our butt, and our thighs. We're doing 3 exercises on each side. Coming down onto our elbow, knees are bent about a 45-degree angle, and hips are stacked on top of each other. Glue those ankles and feet together. We're going to start with some clams. We come up and down. If your shoulder gets too tired, you want to extend all the way onto the elbow. Join me here too. Doesn't matter either way, we're still working those same muscles. Let's go 3, 2, and 1. Combination movement here. We're going to extend the legs straight out to the side. Come back, tap those knees together so we're internally rotating from that hip. Extend side, put the toes together, open up again from that hip. Extend, knee, extend, toes. Again, really rotating. First internally here, then externally. Hips stay still. Well done. Breathe. I know you feel that burn. 2 more. Extend knee, extend toes. Woo, okay. We're going to bend that knee, put the foot on the floor, extend the bottom leg. We have 1 lift here. It swipes forward and 1 lift. Flex the foot. I think it makes it easier to activate that inner thigh. So 1 lift, come to the front, 1 lift. Try to keep the knee straight. Again, that helps really activate that inner thigh. A few more. Ooh, well done. Let's do the same thing the other side. Coming onto your elbow or all the way down, supporting your head. And again, making sure that we're nice and stacked, especially hip bones on top of each other. We start with the clamshells, open and close. Really isolating into that muscle. Again, don't allow yourself to lean back or open up. Let's see, 4 more. 2 and 1. We extend the leg all the way to the side, internally rotate, maybe tap those knees together. Extend side, externally rotate, tap the toes. So just alternating. Leg stays lifted the whole time. I know it's a challenge. Let's see, 2 more. Extend, bend, and place it down. Okay, foot on the floor. Straighten that bottom leg, flex the foot. We lift it up using that inner thigh. It comes forward, and again, we lift. Feel free to change your position at any time. You might feel more stable this time. Up on that elbow. If you are in your elbow, make sure to push out of it. We're not down here. And left. And left. Keep the knee straight. I know you want to bend it. We have 2 more. Ooh, well done. If you want a quick stretch or shake that out, come into a little butterfly position, bring the soles of the feet together. Allow the knees and hips to relax, maybe a little lean forward, just for a quick stretch. If you join me for the next one, we're gonna go straight into abs.